makeup and costumes is a little bit difficult, but the dancers, they have the passion about this art form. So it's not a difficulty, it's a experience. Namaste, I am Kalamandalam Biju from Kerala, Southwestern State in India. I am a Kathakali dance performer. Kathakali literally means story play. Katha means story, Kali means play. Kathakali originated in Kerala, Southwestern State in India more than 400 years ago. The elaborate face, makeup, costumes and dancers enact the epic stories, Mahabharata, Ramayana and etc.
Among the 7 traditional Indian dance forms, Kathakali is the most sophisticated form of dance.
Late K.P. Bhaskar, he was started Bhaskar's Arts Academy in Singapore in 1952. Mr. Bhaskar was excited to establish this art form to Singapore. So he asked me to help choreograph one of the Malay story. Then he found one of the Malay poet, Mr. Bahri Raji. He wrote one story about Singapore history. That name was Charida Singapura. These lyrics he wrote in Malay. At that moment I was a little bit scared or a little bit nervous. Dr. Bahri Raji, he helped us to pronounce the Malay lyrics. Then what we are doing, he is saying in Malay words, we are writing in our own language. I was very interested about Kathakali. My father was a Kathakali dancer. I got a many chance to watch Kathakali performance from my childhood. What is the most interested things? That's the costumes. So different costumes, different colors, different makeup. So that was very interested part when I was childhood. Slowly I am growing. I was carefully watch this art form. Then I can understand the artists, they are using with hand gestures, eye movements, eyebrow movements, the facial expressions. That's very amazing things, you know. In Kathakali style, the dancers, they can't open their mouth and they can't talk each other. So 24 hand gestures we are used in Kathakali, and we can made out of more than 500 words or sentence with these hand gestures. For example, I am going there. That's the meaning of the lyrics line. I am going there. There are 9 emotions used in Kathakali called Navarasam: Sringaram, Hasyam, Karunam, Raudram, Veeram, Bhayanagam, Bibhalsam, Albhudam, Shantam. Namaste, I am Kalamandalam Biju, Kathakali dance performer. Happy to invite all of you watch Kathakali Charida Singapura at a date with tradition.